Hey everybody, it's Matt, straight from the Sure to Grow Room again. I just want to take some time and thank everyone for checking out our videos. Hopefully they've been helpful to everyone. The traffic has been absolutely amazing. And to that end, we're going to continue with that line and continue to produce videos. I'd also like to talk to you for a moment and say thank you for all of you that logged in and became part of our Cubes to Cash promotion. That was a huge success as well. And obviously, you know, as far as we're concerned, we're happy that you're using our product. But I would like to take a moment to talk to you a little bit about the path that we've been on up till this point. Sure to Grow has been always at the forefront of technology to try and develop the best grow media. But as far as our sizes and shapes and our application, we've taken a little bit of a lead from the people that were already producing media. So the vast majority of sizes and shapes that you've seen up till this point were traditional sizes. Our inch cube, our 1.5-inch cube, our 4-inch block, our 6-inch block, our slabs, our flood table mats, our microgreens and wheatgrass rolls. Products that were, you know, pretty commonly seen throughout the hydroponic industry. The only thing that we were doing was basically enhancing your growing experience by making a better technologically advanced product. Why am I taking this time out to talk to you today about Sure to Grow and our product line? Because we're on the verge of launching this brand new product. And those of you who have been following the live streams that we've done or the videos that we've produced up to this point, you've seen me tease a product. And that product was known as the STG insert. Well, finally, those of you who are looking for this product are going to finally be able to get your hands on it. We're trying to enhance the growing experience. So what we've done is we've taken a product that was never on the market, and we are going to change and revolutionize the way you grow, especially if you're using net pots, buckets, and systems. To give you an example, traditionally, those of you out there who are using net pots, buckets, and systems, I'm sure you're fairly cognizant of this product right here, these expanded clay pellets. This is Hydroton. Although this product does grow plants, it's a pain in the neck to work with. It's exceedingly dusty. So each one of these, every time you plant up a batch, you're going to have to take these and rinse them and get as much debris from the outside of the balls as you can, or else they're going to clog your system. Unfortunately, though, you're never going to be able to get all of that debris off. And how do I know? Because I grew with Hydroton for a very long time. Inevitably, what happens is those clay balls are going to degrade, and that dust and debris is going to get into your fertigation lines and clog your emitters. And those of you who work in hydroponic systems know that a clogged emitter or a failed pump means a lost crop. So what we have done is we have basically developed a new type of product, the STG insert, which will replace the use of Hydroton in net pots and buckets. What does this mean to you as a grower? It means enhancing your growing experience. It means no more need to wash off your product or fix a broken product just to get planting. Our products are ready right out of the box. You've heard it a million times, but I'm going to drive it home. pH neutral. You don't have to condition our product. It's inert and it's sterile. I mean, in the end, that's going to lead to less root-borne pathogens, more time for you to enjoy your growing experience, and less time fixing problems and diagnosing disease and treating disease. So the first product I'd like to show you that we're going to be releasing as part of this line is this 2-inch, what I like to call the Sure to Grow puck. It's actually a cloner insert designed specifically for those of you who propagate by use of cloning. As you can see, it fits right into the cloners that are on the market. This right here is an easy cloner. But what's different between this product and, say, our Sure to Grow 1.5-inch cube is that it's already cut for you to slide your cutting right in. So no more worries about bending or pinching off that delicate tip that you've just cut. You just open it up, take your cutting, take a little rooting hormone, give yourself about 1.5 inches, slide it into your cloner, and you're done. And you may be saying to yourself, well, I do that already with a neoprene puck, and that is true. But the beauty of this is that as your plant roots and roots through our media, there's no worry about a transplant shock. If you were to take a traditional neoprene collar and peel it back, oftentimes the root will embed itself into that open cell foam. With our product, that's no worries because it's grow media. So as your roots perforate through the Sure to Grow media, you can take this puck and transplant it directly into whatever hydroponic system that you're using. You can also do it in soil. I have several consumers on the West Coast that are doing this already. So let's take a moment, and I'm going to show you some of the other products that we're manufacturing. As I mentioned earlier, this truly is a revolutionary technology. It is designed to enhance your growing experience. If it takes you 20 seconds to plant one of these pots up, it's taking you too long. Now imagine if I was trying to make that same argument with hydroton. You got to unzip the bag, you got to carry the bag to wherever you're going to wash it out, probably fill it in a tub that's perforated, fill the tub with the water, wash all that material out, put all that stuff back into another carrying container, carry it back to where your system is, fill your system, and then hopefully your plants don't die from soluble salts building up on the top. Good luck with that. As we said before, though, it's feather light, it's inert, it's pH neutral, and it's sterile. I mean, it's really designed to enhance your growing experience. What else is nice about this, as you can see behind me, I have some plants here that are about 2 to 2.5 weeks old, and let me tilt this bucket so you can get a better look. Very little, if any, green algae, and that's due to the STG's proprietary non-wicking technology. Instead of water being pulled to the top with nutrient, creating this perfect environment for algae to grow, the way STG is designed is for water to flood this bucket and keep the top pristine, white, and dry. So no more battling that algae problem that you commonly associate, with maybe rock wool or with hydroton. I really want to drive home the notion of versatility as well. Granted, the product is going to enhance your growing experience. It's going to cut down the time it takes you to plant. You're going to grow better crops with less root-borne disease. But the versatility and the options you have available to you with this new product are nearly endless. What we have here behind us is a standard flood table. The vast majority of you are probably using this system. And a lot of you like to stack it full of pots, 6-inch pots, 4-inch pots, some as small as 3.5-inch pots. We make an insert for all of those varieties. So if you can take a look what I have behind me, I have some 5-inch pots. I have a 6x7 bucket. I have some more pots over here. Here's a perfect example, and here's an insert that we're manufacturing right now. The other thing I'd like to show is how easy the whole system marries itself together. We talked about using one of our cloners earlier. All you need to do is take a cylinder, plug it in, drop your cloner with your cutting in, and you're done. About 4 seconds. I can't imagine there's another media on the market that's going to allow you that amount of efficiency. Slide it in, and you're done. No more worries about conditioning your product. No more worries about the dust getting into your fertigation lines. No more worries about that debris getting into your pump and destroying it. I mean, really, if you haven't used one of these types of systems because you are maybe a little bit hesitant to deal with the hassles associated with hydroton, here's your opportunity to get into this market. Here's an opportunity to use these systems that have been tried and true to produce great results, and now you don't have to worry about the thing that was holding you back, and that was the media. This media is going to set you free. It's going to allow you the ability to grow in whatever system you want. So take this opportunity to get on board. Try a flood table. Try a bucket system. We make inserts for all of them. So we've addressed all the characteristics such as ease of use, which consequently enhances your growing experience. We talked about the fact that you're going to be algae-free. We also discussed the fact that, in the end, you're probably going to decrease your planting time by 80+%. But what's really important about Sure to Grow, and it's important that I drive this point home, is that the performance added benefit. The product just works better. It works better than anything you've been using up to this point. And you say, Matt, I'm skeptical. And, well, when I first started using Sure to Grow, I was skeptical too. But the proof is in the pudding, so to speak. I just got back from Northern California on some business for the company. And before I left, these were standard seedling starts. These have been in here just about 2.5 weeks. And let me show you some root mass that we have developed. We have this guy right here. Oh, wait. It gets better. How about something like this? Is this impressive to you? It's impressive to me because in 2.5 weeks, I don't care what I'm growing in, I don't get this type of root generation. So the system I'm using right behind me is the AeroFlow 2. It's a general hydroponic system. It's probably my favorite system to use. It's designed to grow plants exceedingly well. We manufacture this insert specifically designed for their pots. Plug it right in, and what's great, take that cloner that we talked about, take that cutting, throw it in, plug it right into the system, and you're done. 6-7 seconds tops. So once again, not only are you getting all the benefit of not having to condition your media, you're not going to have to spend all that time lugging those bags around. You're not going to have to clean the media before you put it in there. You're not going to have to condition it to get it to be the right pH. If you take all those value-added benefits, that should be enough for you to switch. But we take it up a notch. We don't do it just as well, we do it better. The performance is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, so you're going to get all these benefits, better performance, and a cost that's in par with everything else that you're using. So it would be stupid for you not to at least give it a shot. I mean, grow with Sure to Grow. Grow with us. Enhance your growing experience. Keep coming back, keep checking out the videos, and watch for more updates as we continue to release more products to make growing easier for you. Once again, thanks for stopping by and giving us the time to tell you how much better our product is than everyone else's. So if you have any questions regarding the entire line of Sure to Grow products currently available, please view our webpage at suretogrow.com. And if you have any questions regarding the use of our product in any growing system, please contact me at grow@suretogrow.com. Have a great day.